This is going to be an epic 10 by 16 rural implements shed with a bathroom. So this is going to allow the clients to get on site, be able to come down, use it and start developing the land as they're going to be doing the house and other things on here. So it's going to be a mono pitch with a nice little covered outdoor area. Roy's been doing the sand pad. He's done all the metal work. The concrete slab's going to be coming down. In a future episode, you'll be able to see this one as this unfolds. And the beautiful Pukorokoro on the Firth of Thames. Another beautiful shed just over the hill that we've finished. But this shed here, 10 by 16, great people, Mark and Cindy. The young son Hamish is actually in the same class as Jasmine at HPC, shout out to you guys. Is just the initial shed to get on the land. Considered rural implements shed with a bathroom. 2 roller doors down this side, so we've got the rebate done by the A1 guys, good work on the slab. Then we've got a step down here because we're going to have a nice lined veranda area here. So there's going to be a couple of ranch sliders, windows in here, somewhere to sit, have a spot, afternoon tea in there, enjoy a beer and that whilst doing all the work on the land and getting it ready. And then also great room for a future house site on here as well.
G'day everyone, out on site, and we're back in Miranda today, dropping off a bit of material for our builders, and they're smashing through it. Got all the portals up, all the top hats on the roof, starting to do the back wall, and now laying paper for the side wall. Beautiful day today, not too much wind, which is what you want when you're laying your paper, but as you can see, 4 bays, 3 enclosed, with some aluminium going in, and then this cool open bay at the end where they're going to be able to park either their camper van or boat. You'd be picking a boat when you look at the location. Beautiful, there's the Firth of Thames, great fishing out there. Looking back into the Hauraki Plains. Alright, little on-site update for this shed. Kyron and the crew have been busy as, they've got all the walls clad, doors formed, frames up. They've pretty much done everything. They will have been put in a flashing order for this now, and then they're waiting for the scaffolding to go up. Once the scaffolding's up, they'll get a roof on, cross bracing in, knee braces, and then window going in here, so that's all been cross-braced round. It's going to have a few PA doors in it, an aluminium ranch slider, another aluminium ranch slider. So absolutely fantastic. Then you'll step out into this covered courtyard area / caravan storage. So absolutely fantastic. These people are building this out of Miranda. You got an ocean view right there of the Firth of Thames, and then they're going to build their dream house. This has been consented to have a bathroom in it, so it's going to be a good base to work from to take care of their land and to then build their dream house out of. Well, you know, have this to store everything as they build their dream house. So absolutely fantastic, looking really sharp there, and looking forward to getting all the scaff up so the guys can continue working, get it done. Look forward to another update soon. G'day, we're back out on site at the Miranda job. The guys have done a fantastic job, lined it, cladded it, and look what we've got arriving now. The team from City Glass has arrived, and we're going to help them unload all these windows into the shed. We've also had a delivery from Metalcraft, and they've delivered all the flashings. Kyron and the crew are going to be back on site later on today and start fitting that all up. Let's go and give them a hand. Just helped City Glass unload all the joinery for this job, and it's got a lot of beautiful joinery in it. We'll show you in a minute. The crew's been busy, got all the wall cladding on last time I was here, but yesterday they fitted up the roof. So we'll jump up to the top of the scaff, we'll have a look at the roof, we'll have a look at the flashings that got dropped off this morning, and have a look at all this awesome stuff. So come on over and we'll have a closer look at all of this. So as you can see, we've had all the joinery from City Glass dropped off. So we've just placed that on the ground. Kyron and the crew are going to be starting later on today, and they're going to have all the barge flashings, roller door flashings, corner flashings and all of that start loading up. And then like this door, as you can see, this one of the cool things, PA style sort of door, but with double glazed joinery in it. We've also got windows, bathroom windows, big sliding doors to go in. So here and here we're going to have cool sliding doors go into it. A window, glass PA door, and then windows at the back. So the crew's already framed all of those out and got that ready, and then they're going to be able to fit all this up. And then as we walk through, we'll be coming through this big awesome ranch sheet out in here, and this is going to act as like a covered patio type area, but also room to store the boat or the caravan. We're going to be lining underneath on this structure, and that just gives a really clean look, also bird proofs everything, so that's going to be really fantastic to get that done. And let's pop up and have a look at the great job that the guys have done on the roof here. We're up on the scaffolding now, and as you might see, I've got my new little microphone on. Mic check 1 2 1 2, so hopefully that's working. And the guys have laid the roof yesterday. They've just stitched it on. They've screwed their bottom row and stitched every overlap so that they've got the roof on, and then later today they'll come through and they'll screw every row off. We've got a couple of beautiful clear lights in this job, so they're really nice. They've got the clear light screws in there, and they've got their gutter on. So after they've done that, after they've screwed it off, they'll blow the whole roof down again, blow the gutter out, and get all that swarf off it so that there's no swarf left on it to cause any rust. So they've still got that to do, and then get all the flashings on, scaff down, and it's almost time to hand it over to the clients. They'll then be able to get their Sparky of choice in. Will it be J-Spark Electrical? Will it be Adams Electrical? Will it be somebody else? We'll find out. And they'll be able to finish the bathroom, plumb that all up. We can take care of all of that if you want to, or a lot of people choose to use their own contractors, so that's fantastic. So we'll leave it at that today, and we'll come back again when it's all complete and give you the final tour. Cheers. Here we are, we're back out in the beautiful Miranda, and we've got the sheds being completed. Kyron Jackson and Kyron's son, I've currently forgotten his name, my apologies, have finished this shed, and it's absolutely fantastic. Look at that, two big beautiful roller doors done by our friends at Dominated Doors, and then City Glass, all supplied to us by City Glass. So all the joinery supplied by City Glass. We'll come inside and look at that big and beautiful light-filled space with these 3 clear lights. And in this back here, we've got the 2 glazed windows that are in for the consented bathroom that we're going with. On this one, a nice Metalcraft PA door, all wrapped in Thermocraft building wrap. And on this roof, we've got the roofing paper as well. Then over here, we've got a couple more fantastic windows from City Glass. Well, actually window, and another big ranch slider there. Here we've got a PA door with both glass panels in it. These are all double glazed, and just fantastic. Pop out to the back of the building here. There's those glazed windows, downpipes, all colour matched to suit this building. So we'll close that up. So yeah, beautiful door there. And then sort of my favourite piece of this one is this covered patio area / caravan boat storage. Kyron's done a really spot on job, as he always does, doing all the flashings on this. So we've flashed everything right up so birds aren't able to get into any of it. And underneath here we've lined it all. We've also put in 2 pull cables so that the electrician's going to be able to put down lights into this bay as well. So yeah, just really good details on all of this. to have that all beautifully bird-proofed and just looking really nice. So that all looks really sharp. And then these big beautiful doors in here, all double glazed, come through and back into the shed. We've got one whirlybird up there on the ceiling, just helping to suck that hot air out of this big mono-pitched roof. Strap bracing on the walls, mullions along each side of the windows to keep the shed super strong. Built to last, you know, several lifetimes really. A shed like this is going to be around. And then just looking out to the beautiful firth of Thames. It's calm and nice out there today. I think Kyron's having a well-deserved fish today. Gonna hopefully catch some beautiful snapper, have a good time. All New Zealand steel inside and out on our buildings, and so they're built to withdraw the conditions of New Zealand, and they all look really spot on. Produced either in Auckland or Hamilton, so creating a lot of local jobs for a lot of local people. Kyron and Jackson, our build crew, live on the Hauraki Plains. Kyron's currently building himself one of our sheds on his land. So, you know, we're just a real local company looking after locals, which is what we're all about. We'll just go around. Well, let's go through here. So, you just got me on the camera today. The gimbal's not really wanting to look at my beautiful face. But my nephew Jack, who had been with me, helping me do all this filming, is off to Dunedin to go to university. So, a perfect door. All of our doors always come with door holdbacks, which Kyron's fitted up down there. So we always take care of all the details on these sheds. So next stop will be an electrician to come in and run all their cables and start decking it out, and then later on over here I imagine they'll be building their dream house and they'll have this fantastic shed to enjoy for many years to come. Great sheds done right.